second rocket that was launched by ISRO, and its budget was 500 crores. And it was launched on 22nd of July in 2019 Satish Dhawan Space Center in Andhra Pradesh, and it reached the moon's orbit on 20th August 2019. And when it was expecting to land on the moon on 6th September 2019, unfortunately it crashed on the moon. According to the failure analysis that was submitted to ISRO, it was caused by a software glitch.
And telling about Chandrayaan 3. The Chandrayaan 3 was third rocket of ISRO. The Chandrayaan 3 succeeded on 23rd August 2023 at 6:04 p.m. Chandrayaan 3 was the three parts. First one is the propulsion mode, and second one is the lander named as Vikram, and third one is the rover named as Pragyan. And Chandrayaan 3 was made by to get the minerals like soil, water of the moon. And India is the first country landed south pole of the moon. And European Space Agency support the Chandrayaan according to the contract to fulfill the crash of Chandrayaan 2. Chandrayaan 3 was made.
As Chandrayaan 3 has succeeded, there is no problem for India to collect the information from the south pole from the moon. And now India can participate in the space race. Now India is in the 4th place, so it landed on the moon. And now India is in the 1st place, so it landed on the south